Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust buttons and assignments for Logitech G403 Hero. To do this, you will need to download Logitech G Hub on your PC. It's a software that allows us to adjust the mouse settings. And now make sure that your onboard memory is off, otherwise you won't be able to change those settings. Click on your mouse, don't click on the gear icon, just your mouse. Now on the bottom, on the middle, there's assignments, and you can adjust how all of the buttons work on this mouse. So for example, we have forward and back keys on the left side of the mouse. So let's click on this one. You can disable or use it as a default option for it. And now we can assign any keys, like for example, we have Ctrl C, drag it to the button that you want to assign it to, like forward right here. Now this button will act as a copy. You can also change between different assignments like commands, keys, actions, macros, and system. In system, there's different options like media, device, OS, G-Hub, and any other different settings. You can experiment with that however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.